Today we're going to show you how to execute standing front plate raise. Standing with your feet shoulder width and your knees slightly bent, core nice and tight, we're going to raise our arms straight up with our elbows slightly bent and our palms facing each other. Do my front shoulder raise, I love using a plate because it keeps my arms nice and neutral and really helps me engage my front delt. As you can see from this front position, we're going to stop just above our eyes, keeping everything nice and tight and straight. So that was standing front raise. This is an amazing exercise for your front delt. I love using a single plate because it really ensures that my arms stay neutral throughout the whole exercise and I don't start flaring out. It also helps to disperse the weight evenly across both arms. Hit the like button down below if you like the video. Hit subscribe up top, that way you get notified when more videos get posted up. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.